Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a goyard geek, a shopaholic chic shithead, and my channel is all about luxury unboxings, reviews, how to tell fake versus real, shopping vlogs, all those kind of things. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please hit that subscribe button. Please smash that like button, and please keep on watching. I got a great video for you today. We're doing an unboxing. An unboxing from the row. Oh! This is my first time ordering online from the row. So we're gonna see everything, how they packaged it, what it looks like, how it is, the product, blah, 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 blah. I love the row. I think it's a great brand. I think it's very understated. I mean, I think that that's kind of the whole look they're going for is very understated, not as well known, kind of just very subtle, classic, timeless beauty looks, bags, clothes, everything like that. It is pricey, it is expensive, it's actually very pricey considering most people don't know about it. It's not flashy at all. There's no logos anywhere. There's like a very small logo on the bags, and it's usually like hidden, or like on the backpack it's like inside on this side, on the side that would be where, you know, that would be touching your back, so you don't even see it. Like on the bags it's very small. Some of the bags don't even have it on, it's only on the inside. It's very subtle. The Row is a brand started by Mary-Kate and Ashley. It's their like high-ender line. It's their high-end line. Above Elizabeth and James. It's very like, what is it? Come on in. Come in. Oh, you. It's very flashy. I mean, it's very, stop. God damn. Come here. Up, up, up. Okay. So I got a visitor, so he's gonna just sit here now. So the Row's, again, the Row. Your ball's not going, your ball's going, your ball's going, your ball's going, your ball's going. You. Cookie. You wanna go get it? Okay. Bring it up. Okay. He wanted the ball, but he wants the ball to be here with him. He keeps losing the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Here's right here. Okay. So anyway. We got an unboxing from the Row. Like I said, it's Mary-Kate and Ashley's brand. I don't know if you guys are fans of them, but I'm huge fans of them. I grew up loving them. I grew up kind of with them, adjacent to them. We went to rival high schools, and one of my friends from high school dated their little sister, Elizabeth, who's now on the Marvel stuff. So I was like, oh, let's go watch. But that's a whole lifetime ago, and I don't talk to any of those people anymore or have any connection to them. But I did work at a company. Yeah, we had printers. We had two printers, two black and white printers named Mary-Kate and Ashley. They had photos of Mary-Kate and Ashley in each of them. And people would be like, okay, I'm printing to Mary-Kate, or I'm printing to Ashley, or it's on Mary-Kate, or whatever. I sent it to Mary-Kate. And that was like a long thing. And then we got a color printer. And when I came, the color printer, me and my friend, we named Elizabeth after their sister. But at the time, this was like way before she was famous, and there were no photos of her. But I had been friends with her on Facebook, and my friend who dated her like also had photos of her. So I pulled photos from Facebook and put them all over the color printer, and we named it Elizabeth. We named it Lizzie, and for Lizzie Olsen. And I don't know why I'm going with this story, but anyway, I think the printer was still called Lizzie. Last time I went there, it was still called Lizzie. The color printer is still Lizzie. I don't know if the photos are still there. Like 5-6 years ago when I went, the photos were still there, but I don't know if they're still there, but they were the photos that I pulled. Anyway, Mary-Kate and Ashley have this brand called The Row. It's their high-end brand. It's really nice. It's good quality stuff. Very subtle, simple, understated, things like that. And so this is my first unboxing from them. They have a store in New York, and they have a store in Melrose, and then I think they're sold at other places, like probably at like Neiman's or Saks or somewhere. I don't know. I've only been to the store in Melrose. It's really cute. It's very like bougie and like whatever, but it's very simple and nicely designed. It's right on Melrose Place, right by Alfred's Coffee, like very like right next to Bon Mall, and like, yeah, it's great. So I got a couple of things, like I said, pricey. This is also a birthday purchase. I bought a lot of things for my birthday. So we're doing a Row birthday unboxing. This is a Row birthday unboxing. Online order from the Row. So let's just get into it. I didn't bring any kind of utensils to open this, so we're just gonna use my thumbnail. But the box is really nice. It's very nicely packaged, just like Hermes boxes. When you buy it online, they're just like very well packaged. Whereas when you buy something from, say, I don't know, say like the Real, their boxes are very oh, they're very bad. No offense to the Real. Love the Real. Love you guys. This might not have been the best idea to not do it with that. Oh, okay. So, oh, I see what's going on here. Okay, this is gonna take a second. So talk amongst yourselves while I open this with my nails. And probably give myself a paper cut. My nails are bomb. Chai's just sitting right here through all this. Who needs a paper cutter when you can have Max fingernails? Still very securely never worked hard to open anything in my life. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it's really nicely packed. Okay, you guys. So we're gonna go this way so you can see it. Something fell out. Oh, return label. Open. We got a little box, little, you know, gift card. Oh, it's a card because I wrote it to myself. It says happy birthday. It says give myself a birthday gift. Happy birthday to me. There's nothing wrong with buying yourself presents. Guys, I love buying myself presents. I know exactly what I want and it's great. Plus I have no one else in my life that loves me. Except for you guys. Okay. So a little paper to like keep the box in the box. And then there's a box inside the box. Wow. This is nice packaging. Props to Mary-Kate and Ashley for the packaging. It's a white box and it says the row right here. And it looks like it's just paper. Like it's not. Okay, I'm gonna need you to go. Sorry. How do I open this? Oh my god, it's totally wrapped like a freaking, like an Apple product, you guys. Like it's it's a box that you have to like open the box. Oh, now you tear it. Okay. I tore it. Actually, I would have just slide it off. So yeah, nice wrapping. Then we've got another box. Girls! Okay, so then we got it like, it's got a little like, then we got another, Chai's literally waiting and watching. Okay, so we got another flap, another flap, another flap, another flap. And then the box is inside all of these flaps. Very well packaged ideas. Very like, you know, safely packaged. Okay. So, okay. So you guys, we're gonna try these on, but I got myself 3 things for my birthday. I've been really wanting some nice more silk and cashmere type things to just wear at home because I have a lot of nice clothes for going out, a lot of nice jeans and like whatever, but it's like they're not comfortable and I'm literally at home all day now. Work from home, live at home, blah, blah, blah. So I wanted more comfortable home things. So I got myself cashmere sweatpants in this gray color and I'll try them on in the size small, 'cause it's the small size they had. Felix sweatpant in gargoyle gray. By the way, just so you guys know, I'm not like, you know, I love spending money on clothes and stuff like that, but I'm also a sucker for a good deal. And I got these all in the sale section on the website, which they only have sales on the website of their previous collections and things that are no longer in the store. So if it is in the store, it won't be on sale unless it's kids stuff. So kids stuff is on sale on the website and on sale in the store. But other than that, everything in the store is not on sale. Is never on sale. When it goes on sale, it goes out of the store. And it's a style that's over, and so they no longer would have it in the store or a similar style or whatever. They might have something similar, but it's called something else, or they don't have that style anymore. Like they might not have the Felix sweatpant anymore in the store, but they might have a very similar sweatpant. But they say they keep, you know, updating their styles and stuff like that. So anyway, this is the Felix sweatpant. So it was half off, and as far as I can tell, their sales are half off. So this was $1,500 on their website, and I paid $750 for it. For these sweatpants in Felix gray and the Felix sweatpant in gargoyle gray. So I got those and I love them so much I had to get 2 of them. So I got another one in black because there was only this left. And I wish they had more colors and more sizes, but I was trying to get the last ones of whatever they had. So this is a black one because I love a good sweatpant. I'll try them all on in a second so you guys can see. And then for the gray one, I wish they had this for the black one too, but they only had it for the gray. For the gray one, I got the matching sweatshirt, which is the Charlie sweatshirt. Oh no, the Chris hoodie in gargoyle gray. I don't even know the name. But this looks amazing. So I had to get it. And now I'm gonna try them on for you guys. I'll try them on, do a little modeling shots, tell you what I think. Size small. They're a little baggy, to be honest. I wish they were a little more fitted for me. But I guess they are just for kind of lounge at home. But I would love for them to be a little more fitted because I just like fitted things. Also because I lost so much weight and I'm so skinny now. And I was an extra small. But I love having fitted clothes. But this is what they look like. They are very, very comfortable. I will say that they are very, very, very comfortable. These are the sweatpants with the sweatshirt. I really like the fit of the sweatshirt. This is a size small too. It's so soft. Sweatpants, again, feel a little big, but I guess they're sweatpants. But what do we think of the combo? I think they actually kind of look like They look a little different, like two different shades of gray? No, right? I don't know. So these are this is fitted. I like it. It's very comfortable. It's so, just feels so nice. It's cashmere, obviously it's gonna feel nice. It's really good quality though, obviously. Feel the quality. You feel the quality. Yeah, so this is what they look like. Different look, but if you wanted to mix it up, you want to smell it. I guess I like the black a little better when it's with something else, but again, they do feel kind of big. But like very casual, you know? Okay. I think I like the sweatshirt a lot more than I like the sweatpants, to be honest. I wish it had pockets, but other than that, it's like a very comfy sweatshirt. Let me know what you think. The Row, they sell it, like I said, somewhere. But it's online, you can look at it, you can look at all their stuff. They have a lot of really great women's stuff. They have a lot of bags. It's like very Mary-Kate and Ashley, like just simple clothes, sometimes oversized, but simple, no logos, simple colors, plains, and nothing flashy, nothing like that. It's literally just simple, different silhouettes, shoes, bags. They have this big hobo bag. I think it's called like the bindle. I really want that too. It's like just this giant, like endless bucket bag that you remember like in late 2009, like whatever, 2009, 2013, when Mary-Kate and Ashley were like very hot. I mean, they're still, you know, but they were like photographed all the time and they started a bunch of trends. They had those big bags, like the big sunglasses, the big bag, the cigarette, the coffee, and the phone, like walking down the street in New York. That's what I think of. Okay, I'm gonna try these on. I'll be right back to you. Well, I love my new Row bands. My new Row sweatsuit. I love this new Row sweatsuit. I'm probably gonna be living in this all the time. So if you guys see me making a lot of videos in this, it's because I'm always gonna be wearing this, and I wish I could get it more, but it's super pricey. I wish I could get more, but they don't have any right now. They literally have none at the store. I went to the store and they have nothing else like this right now. Nothing in cashmere that's like this or in my size. They have nothing in smalls. If you're a small or an extra small, they literally sell out of it all the time. Like all their sizes go away. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. If you liked it, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share with your enemies and your exes and your bosses and all those other people. And I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I respond to every comment. So please leave comments in the comments below and I'll talk to you soon.